The only one Daihatsu that sells in Toyota showroom in Japan. This is the Daihatsu Copen GR. For the GR spec, you get the GR Sports bumper front and back, and you get the BBS 16-inch, which is only available for the GR spec. It's a K car from Japan. Not only the size is small, including the engine power. It's a 660cc 3-cylinder engine, turbocharged with 64 horsepower. It paired with 5-speed manual gearbox. As for the boot space, let's point it up. This is the size that you need to reserve for the roof. When the roof is open and you don't plan to close it, this is the size you have. After you open the roof, this is the balance space that you have. To open the roof, first you need to open the safety hook, both sides, then pull the switch here. After the beep, then it's done. You get the Recaro seat and the Momo steering with the GR spec. Copen GR, which is the highest spec, you get stiffer ride, better handling with the GR Sport suspension system. So this is one of the best K car you can drive in the market.